Hello guys and welcome to this channel Programming Fever. So in today's video I will show you how you can convert Wikipedia page data into the word cloud. So first I will import library that we will use to create the word cloud using Wikipedia data. So I will import So now use the Wikipedia library to grab the Wikipedia page of Python programming language. So I will write command So this command will grab the Python programming language from the Wikipedia page. Now we will extract the content from this page and print. So let's see what is in the content. So here you can see we got 643 lines from the Wikipedia page about Python programming languages. But you can see here this data is not clean, like we have to remove the extra symbols to plot the word cloud. So we will remove these type of the symbols and extra symbol from this data. To clean this data, we will use So these commands will help us to clean the data. It will remove the unnecessary symbols and convert the whole Python programming languages data into one paragraph. Let me show you by print it. So here you can see whole data are clean now and all the data are converted into one paragraph. Now we will use this data to make the word cloud. So before making word cloud, we have to remove the stop words also from our paragraph. So I will write command. This set will contain all the stop words. Let me show you by print it. So these are the stop words. Remember, we are making the word cloud of Python programming related thing. So these stop words will be unnecessary in our word cloud. So we will remove these stop words from our content. So now I will make word cloud using So here you can see I give the width and height 800 for the word cloud and background white, and we are passing these stop words in this as a parameter. So it will remove the stop words from our word cloud and the minimum font size is 10. And finally we are generating the word cloud using our content. So now we will print this word cloud with the help of matplotlib. So I will use So these commands will plot our word cloud in 8 by 8 figure size. So let's test it. So here you can see Python programming related word cloud is created now. So Python is most common word used in this paragraph. So this is the word cloud related to the Python programming languages. You can grab another pages from the Wikipedia and pass here. So that's it for this video. If this video helps you, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.